up? It is Lily and welcome back. If you're new here and you've never seen my face before, as I said, my name is Lily. Today I am going to do a video that I'm pretty excited about, except I have to leave in like 20 minutes, so I gotta make it pretty quick. But this is my Cureology experience. My battery is basically dead. So before we get started, I don't have my microphone plugged in because I need to change the batteries and I don't feel like going downstairs and getting batteries, so sorry if the sound quality sucks. But anyway, basically towards the middle of summer, I was struggling a lot with my skin. I was breaking out so bad. My forehead was especially like horrible. My chin and just I would get pimples here and there all over my face, and it was just so bad and it was so painful. And I tried a vitamin supplement product called Innate Skin. I started taking their vitamins in the summer and I stopped taking them, then I retook them, and just when I was taking them, my skin was horrible. I have a whole video about it, so I won't go into much detail, but I'll link that video down below. So my skin was absolutely terrible. I was struggling so much. I would cry because it hurt so bad. My forehead was breaking out all the time. My chin was, just everything was. So I heard about Cureology from like YouTubers and stuff like that, and I didn't know anyone who did it. So I was just like, you know what? They were having a special for the new year. It was, you got a free month supply of moisturizer, cleanser, and a bottle of the cream, and all you had to do was pay shipping. So I paid $5 for a month's supply, and I was skeptical at first because I was like, well, it's just a cream, it's a topical thing, it doesn't go inside my body, it's not really gonna work, so it's whatever. And also, diet is a big thing with acne too, and so I always ate healthy. So I went off of the Innate Skin products and I went off it for like about a month. And even after a month, my skin was still just horrible. And I started meal planning and meal prepping and stuff like that, but it wasn't that I was changing my diet so dramatically. Like, I took out sugars completely and I took out dairy completely. Like, I still eat dairy and I still eat sugars and stuff like that, just not a lot, and I never really eat it a lot anyway, so that really wasn't a factor. So I finally got my Cureology package. It took about like 4 days, and this is what it looked like. So it comes in this cute package, and I literally kept this whole package for the whole month because I wanted to show you. You open it like this and it says, yes, let's do this. Share your #Cureology journey. And it has this little piece of paper and it says skin is for living in, and it tells you that number one, the cleanser, you start with the cleanser. You can do it in the morning or at night. The super bottle, which you just use at night before you go to bed, and then the moisturizer, which you can use in the morning and at night. There's that, and then this is what it looks like. It is such cute packaging. I just got such a good first impression. So this is my Cureology bottle, and this is the cleanser, and this is the moisturizer. Around the border it says, keep it simple, mornings are for sleeping in, lakes are for swimming in, skin is for living in. So that's like their motto, I guess. So this is the Cureology super bottle, and what I love about it is that on the back it has your prescription. So I have zinc pyrithione, 0.25%, then I have slindamycin, 1%, and then niacinamide, 4%. And my provider is Adele Nicholas. And it shows you when you discard it, which it says 4/4/19. I have a cleanser, which I'm still using this. I use this every morning, or no, every night. This is the only cleanser I have been using at night. I usually use like a face mask like once a week, or a exfoliator or something like that. But it says on their website to try to stay away from exfoliators on the first month of Cureology, so I was just using this at night. I haven't used anything else, just this. And then this is the moisturizer, and I use this in the morning. So after I cleanse my face with a different cleanser from Olay, I put this on, and then I put an eye cream on. And my skin is not flaky, it's not dry, it's not anything like that. Every time I would use a acne cream, it would be so dry, so flaky, so gross, but this has not made it dry or flaky or anything like that. So when you go on Cureology's website to start your journey, you basically give them all of the things that you're concerned about with your skin: acne, wrinkles, fine lines, dark spots, anything like that. And then you send them pictures, and then the pictures will help them determine what to give you and all that kind of stuff. They say that no one person has the same bottle or has the same skin, so they tailor it to your skin. So when I first started Cureology, you know, I was skeptical. I was like, I don't know if this is really going to work. I filmed the first day that I started it, so here is what I said. Hey guys, so I'm in a bathroom right now because I forgot to film last night, but I just started my Cureology box yesterday night. So this is what my skin looks like. For me, I already see a difference. It might not be because of the Cureology, because I'm not really sure what caused my acne in the first place, but I think my diet and also not drinking enough water, just stuff like that. I really don't know. That's just my guess. So my skin is looking a lot better to me. It doesn't really look good on camera or anything like that, but like, I'm not wearing any makeup right now. I have some spots right here and up here, this right here, but other than that, like, it really right here, but like I haven't gotten big zits. Also, a big factor was the vitamins that I was taking. So I'm really excited for Cureology. As you could see in the box, it was really nicely packed. It looks super cool, super nice, and it literally has my prescription on the bottle. So this morning, I just cleansed my face, not with the Cureology cleanser because it's little. I did just a regular cleanser, and then I put the moisturizer on, and my skin feels like nice and soft and moisturized. And yeah, so that is day one. So I only did day one. I didn't go throughout the month and show you my progress. That's because I wanted to do like a complete start to finish, and my skin has improved so much, and I really think it is because of this product, because I really didn't change my diet or whatever that much, but my face has been so great. You know, here and there I'll get a pimple or two, but it will not be a zit, something that hurts, something that I need to take Advil for. And I've only gotten about one since I started Cureology. It has been amazing. I still have these spots on my forehead from the acne, and I think that just is going to go away with time, but it's smooth. My chin's smooth. My cheeks are doing so much better. My skin is just looking so much better, and I don't even wear makeup anymore. Like, I'm about to go to work, and I'm not going to wear makeup or concealer or anything like that. So I am just so happy with the results. I'm so impressed. I subscribed, so I got my new box, which I was only going to do the large super bottle because they have a bunch of different like options, but they sent me the super bottle moisturizer and cleanser, and I thought I'd pick the super bottle, but whatever. So I paid $59.99 for that. So it is kind of expensive, but there's other like products that are like $100, $200 per month, and this stuff worked for me. I have this huge bottle of super bottle and this huge bottle of moisturizer and cleanser, so I have paused my subscription to see if I really need it anymore after this, because that's probably going to last me about 2 months. I am so happy with the results. I really love it. But Cureology might not be for you. If you've had a hard time with your skin and you tried Cureology and it didn't work, that's okay because everyone's skin's different and everyone's skin needs different things. But that is just my experience with Cureology, that I loved it. It has really helped with my skin, and it's really just made a difference. My skincare routine, I can do a whole in-depth video on that. If you want to see that, just thumbs this video up. So that is my video. I'm going to give you a little close-up of my face real quick. So this is what my skin looks like right now. As you can tell, you can still see spots on my forehead, those red spots, but they're not pimples or anything. As you can tell, my cheeks are so soft and smooth. Right here too, that's a healing thing too, I guess. And then my chin is soft and smooth. I don't have any pimples or anything. I usually get pimples when I am about to get on my period on my chin. Okay, so that is it for my Cureology review. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to see any more videos from me, if you have any requests, leave them down below. Please subscribe to see more videos. Also, follow me on my social medias. I'll have them in the link down below. And other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Chin Killer.